Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Make sure your iPhone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi, and the Chromecast is powered and visible in Google Home. Install a reputable screen mirroring app such as Replica. This app acts as the bridge because the Apple TV app does not natively cast to Chromecast. Once installed, open Replica to begin pairing. This first step gets your devices talking so you can mirror the iPhone display. Don't skip confirming Wi-Fi and Chromecast visibility first. With the mirroring app open, select your Chromecast from the device list and tap Connect. Grant permissions the app asks for, like local network or microphone access. These allow the app to send your screen to Chromecast. Once mirroring is active, immediately switch to the Apple TV app and start the video. You'll see your iPhone screen on the TV. Note that mirroring sends the whole display, so gestures or notifications may appear. Mirroring works because it streams your screen output instead of native casting. When playback is done, stop the mirroring session in the app to free network and battery resources. For better results, lock orientation to landscape, enable Do Not Disturb, and lower iPhone brightness to avoid accidental taps. These small adjustments reduce interruptions. If you see a black screen or audio only, that's likely DRM. First, update the Apple TV and mirroring apps, then retry. If problems persist, use a Chromecast with Google TV and the Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.